So I believe at COP26, there was a big discussion around the Glasgow breakthroughs, which spoke about hard to abate sectors. And some of those include, of course, mining, but agriculture is being a significant one. And of course, and I must say selfishly, because there is a significant agricultural component in the Dowris Green Hydrogen Village, I would hope that green ammonia does displace grey ammonia in this industry. But it's also because I'm passionate about food security, as well as ensuring that we try and reduce hunger and poverty significantly within a Namibian and an African context. So selfishly, from my perspective, I would really hope that green ammonia does play a significant role in displacing grey ammonia in the production of fertilizers. But at the same time, as you mentioned, there's a lot of important uses for ammonia as a store of energy, for example, in steel or iron industry. And you can even go a bit further when you start to look at, for example, detergents or plastics manufacture, and so on and so forth. But for myself and for the Dowris Green Hydrogen Village, we'd predominantly look to ammonia as a store of energy, which will be one of the use cases that we are going to look to pilot, as well as for the production of fertilizer. So, for example, for a country like Namibia, where industrialization is one of our key aspirations and goals, ammonia can play a significant part in this, as I've mentioned earlier. It can play a role with respect to agriculture, with respect to mining, and of course with respect to the production of detergents, plastics, and so forth. So I think the prospects for the use of ammonia within respective industries is significant and can only aid in the industrialization for nations that are involved in its production. At present today, Namibia imports all of its ammonia, and we hope that the Dowris Green Hydrogen Village can play a significant part in changing this narrative moving forward. And of course, with the assistance of technically skilled firms such as KAPSOM, it's definitely achievable.